Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a Yubo account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So guys, for anybody who do not know what is a Yubo app, well, it is a French-based app and a social networking app where you can meet and greet new people and make friends with them. So basically, I'll teach you how to do this today. First of all, you need to have a Yubo app which you can easily get to an App Store or Play Store. You can see on my screen that I already do have installed it. So I'm simply going to tap an open option. This will take you to the very first page of Yubo where you can make friends. Simply you do have an option of sign up and login. We do not have an account and we are simply going to tap on sign up. Okay, we have few things about ourselves to fill over here. First is the name. Second is the birth date. So I guess you need to be more than 13 years old to use Yubo app, and then tap on OK option. And I can even choose gender if I'm a male, female or non-specified as your wish. Then tap on this yellow circular floating icon on the right bottom corner of the screen. Tapping on it, you do have an option of setting your profile picture at first. So I'll set a profile picture. I'm going to pick up from a gallery and allow Yubo to access all of my gallery's pictures. Simply I'm going to go to gallery just like this and then choose one of the picture from my gallery to keep it in. So I can move and scale and adjust it just like this, and then tap on this yellow background icon again on the bottom right corner of the screen. You can see that's being uploaded. Okay guys, now I can keep an account with a username. So I am going to use a unique username, and then I can select a password which should be of 8 characters, 1 number, 1 lowercase, 1 uppercase and 1 special character. Okay, let me do it. Alright, I have just fulfilled all of the requirements asked by Yubo app itself for a password. Then I can tap on this yellow background icon again on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now I can keep my phone number, so I'm going to keep one of the phone number just like this with the country code itself. Alright, then I'm going to tap on this yellow background icon again. Alright guys, I'm going to get a code on my phone. I'm going to wait for it. Okay, I do have a code and it has been inserted already. Now I do have a community guidelines to accept. So if I simply accept all of these guidelines, I'm going to tap on I accept on the very bottom corner. Just tap on it. So if I am okay with all of this, I'm going to access the permissions and tap on continue option on the very bottom. Tap on allow. Okay, so I do have an account on Yubo app. You just can see guys over here. This is my particular homepage with a chat and then with the friends, and I can even swipe up to look for profiles from different parts of the world. So this is how you create it. This is how you create your Yubo account. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe and goodbye.